In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix sound problem on any Android phone easily and fast. So all what you have to do is simple. Just go to the settings on your phone like this and then go to the sounds like this. And then all what you have to do is make sure that the silent mode is off like this. And then all what you have to do is go back, scroll down and go to the system option down here and then go to the receipt option. Click on receipt and click on receipt all settings on your phone, and after that the problem is gonna be fixed. And yeah, that's it for today's video. After you reset your phone, make sure to restart. And congratulations, don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching until the very end. See you later.